Hello everyone. Today in this video, we'll share you how to add Leica Camera Watermark on iPhone. Leica Camera Watermark. Show your name, iPhone, date and time. Take photos. Show logo, camera Leica, aperture, and ISO parameters. This is original photos. This is photos added Leica Camera Watermark. Let's bring it into your device. This solution works with any iPhone with iOS 14 and above. Work with any photo take by iPhone camera or photo download on internet. This photo is example, add Leica Camera Watermark into it. Now, I will take new photo and add Leica Camera Watermark. Let's do it. Link in video description. Add shortcut. Press and hold. Rename shortcut. Touch shortcut. Choose photo you want to add. Leica Camera Watermark. Select Always Allow. This original photo. This added Leica Camera Watermark. Show your iPhone name, date and time. Take photo. Logo camera Leica. Try another photo. Shortcut in video description. Thanks for watching video. See you in next video coming soon.